This is our second time here, and I've already signed up for next year. And the next 3 or 4 events are sold out, so you got to act quick because they're not going to be around very long, you know. So it is a great event to come to. So.
Be here, not just meeting with potential customers in the future, also the knowledge that we've gained over the last 2 years in regards to sustainability and just packaging in general. It's been huge, and it's helped us with other customers throughout our company.
You have to come here, present well, bring valued solutions, then do the appropriate follow-up. You know, that isn't like the keys aren't just handed to you. You still have to do the work. But you are 100% getting in front of the right people that make those decisions and push those efforts. It's still up to you, but you're in front of the right people that can help you.